Lecture classrooms, known for their large spaces and capacity, are commonly used in vocational schools for combined classes. However, these characteristics can make it difficult for students in the back rows to see the board or hear the lecture, impacting learning outcomes. ITC Lecture Classroom Solution addresses these challenges, integrating intelligent interactive LED screen, dual hanging microphones, and professional sound system to ensure clear audio and visuals for all, creating an optimal environment for smart teaching. At the classroom entrance, a smart class information board displays multimedia messages, scheduling, and announcements, promoting campus culture. The facial recognition attendance feature prevents absences and proxy attendance, saving teachers time on roll calls and enabling a quick start to lessons. The lectern includes designated areas for the cloud control system panel and microphone base, with an integrated multimedia terminal forming a unified smart lectern that enhances teaching convenience and intelligence. The highly integrated multimedia terminal features broadcast capabilities, audio switching, video matrix, IoT control, amplifier, and network decoding modules, offering equipment management, teaching material playback, and resource sharing. The HD recording controller equipped with 4K dual camera captures high-definition video, supporting automatic video editing, multi-view customization, and synchronized lesson recording. Courses can be stored, transcribed into text, and uploaded with one click to the campus educational cloud platform for resource sharing, enabling students to review lessons post-class. ITC Smart Blackboard is customized to classroom size, glare-free to protect student vision. Teachers can synchronize board notes to the LED screen, annotate, save in real time, switch to PPTs, enable collaborative writing, and allow students to scan QR codes to capture board content instantly. Using the ITC hanging microphone system, dual mics in the lectern area pick up sound with a 10-meter radius, ensuring 360 degrees clear audio for effortless lecturing. Strategically placed speakers and automatic sound file test can achieve all-round sound coverage, eliminating sound clarity issues for students. The interactive LED screen, paired with the smart blackboard in customizable size, ensures clear visuals for students from every angle, delivering a top-notch visual experience. To simplify multimedia equipment operation, ITC Multimedia Management Platform integrates all devices into a single system, allowing teachers to customize device settings and turn all devices on or off with one button, providing a streamlined experience and ensuring ease of use in the smart classroom. ITC Lecture Classroom Solution accelerates the digital transformation of vocational education, building smart campuses, and has upgraded over 10,000 schools worldwide to smart classrooms.